Figma how to make gear. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Open the Figma file where you want to create the gear shape so the canvas is ready for editing. Move to the toolbar and click the drop-down icon on the rectangle tool. From the shape options, choose Ellipse because it will be used to create the circular base of the gear. Move your cursor to the canvas. Then click and drag while holding the Shift key to draw a perfect circle with equal proportions. After creating the first circle, repeat the same step or duplicate the circle to create 3 circles with smaller sizes so the structure of the gear can be built gradually. Next, click the drop-down icon on the rectangle tool again to select another shape. From the list, choose star to create the teeth structure of the gear. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Shift key to draw the star shape with balanced proportions. After placing the star shape, go to the Count section in the Properties panel and change the value, for example to 15, so the star has more points that will later form the gear teeth. Now select the star shape together with the largest circle. Use the alignment tools to center both objects by clicking Align Horizontal Centers and then clicking Align Vertical Centers. This ensures both shapes share the same center point. After aligning the shapes, go to the Boolean operations located in the Properties panel. From the available operations, select Intersect, so only the overlapping portion between the shapes remains. Next, select the resulting shape together with the next circle. Repeat the alignment step again by clicking Align Horizontal Centers and Align Vertical Centers so the objects remain perfectly centered. After that, go to the Boolean operations, the Properties panel again, and select Union to merge the shapes into a single object. Continue by selecting the resulting shape together with the final circle. Once again, repeat the alignment step to keep the shapes centered. After that, go to the Boolean operations, the Properties panel again, and select Exclude. This operation removes the overlapping center area and helps create the hollow center typical of a gear. Go to the Layer group and select the star layer. Resize the star shape while holding Shift+Alt so it scales proportionally from the center. Then click on the canvas and select the gear shape that has been created. In the Properties panel, go to the Corner Radius section and adjust the value according to your needs if you want smoother edges. Go to the Fill section and change the gear color according to your design preference.